Of course, and we will now purchase through bank transaction. We will now purchase a fixed asset through bank transaction. Let's say again, we will go to the payment, a new payment. Let's say paid from HSBC checking, and now we will. Description is here. You can add description or not, whatever you want. At the fixed asset at cost. Let's say machine 3, which is 3 lakh. Okay, and now you can see 18 lakh is 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 3 lakhs is the ledger of ledger account of your fixed asset at cost. So you export this ledger to Excel sheet. Just click the copy to clipboard, just copy to clipboard and just go to the Excel sheet. Let's say we'll just paste here Control V, and now you will have the ledger account in Excel format, as you can see here. You have already seen how can we add fixed asset to the fixed asset register. You can see here the item you were entered. These items are here in the fixed asset register. As this is a fixed asset register, you can find the code, name, description, depreciation rate, and control account, and acquisition cost, depreciation, and the book value or carrying value. Now, I will show you how you can adjust the depreciation for the fixed asset in your accounts, how you will post depreciation for your fixed asset in cloud accounting software. This actually you don't need to post any journal entry, any journal for depreciation adjustment. You just go to depreciation entry. You can see here, but we don't want to go to the because we want the system to calculate the depreciation charges for our machineries in the fixed asset. So system will calculate automatically. We don't need to calculate. We don't need to post any journal entry. So how we'll do this? Let's go to the report here. You can see go to the fixed asset here, and you can see depreciation calculation worksheet here. Just click here and new report. Just select the period of the depreciation you want to charge. Let's say we purchase for is the first day 24 February, 1st March of 2025. Now just click create. You can see the software just calculated the depreciation amount we want to charge. This is a calculation by the system, not by us. And you can see the period here, 24 to 1st March 2025. And this is not yet post to the our accounts or ledger accounts. So below this worksheet, you can see the tab here, a new depreciation, and if you can recalculate this amount by the machinery value 10% annual depreciation divided by 356 days and multiply by the days you want to multiply by the days, the 24 to 1 March, maybe 6 or 7 days. I'm not sure. Let's post a depreciation entry here, a new depreciation entry. Here you can see the machine, three machine are selected here, and just you don't need to anything, just create. And see here is the depreciation. Actually, depreciation entry is posted to your accounts by the system. And if you want to, if you go to the dashboard, you will see here in the expense the fixed asset depreciation automatically posted here to the and the accumulated depreciation just below the fixed asset at cost here. You can see in the negative figure as this will be adjusted with the fixed asset cost. So that's why it is in the negative figure. And this is the expense which is positive here as a debit, and the credit entry of the depreciation. So this is how depreciation actually charged in cloud accounting software. You already learned how to how to add assets to the fixed asset register, how to charge depreciation. Now we maybe you want to sell your fixed asset from your factory that you don't want to use anymore. So how you will sell the fixed asset to the third party from your business. Now, if you want to sell a fixed asset, let's say we will sell one fixed asset. So first you have to record um, sales proceed are going to receive against your fixed assets. So how you will do it, let's say you want to record a new receipt. And now you let's assume we are going to receive the amount in cash. So cash in hand, of course, will debit, and account we will select the fixed asset as we are going to sell the fixed asset. You will find it in fixed asset at cost head, and the fixed asset, which asset you want to sell. Let's say we want to sell a machine 3 here. Let's say we will sell it by gaining profit. Okay, so we will put the amount 3 lakh and 10,000. That's clear. Okay, we just recorded the receipt of the fixed asset, but the asset is still active here. So if you want to dispose it, you dispose it from your account, just go to the fixed asset, and you can see the fixed asset in the machine T we just sold. That's why it is negative figure. The is the negative figure. So just click edit here, and you can see the option here, dispose the fixed asset. As we already sold this fixed asset, that's why we have to check the dispose fixed asset, so that it will be inactivated and it will be removed from your fixed asset register. When you check the dispose fixed asset, let's try it, check and update. This is the date of disposal be taken by the system, the current date. So if your date is different, you can change here, and you will of course, and the proceeds and the gain or loss on disposal will be posted here. This account, this is the system default account in the administration expense. Let's see how it will impact update. And now you can see the machine T is inactivated. Here you can see status is disposed. So yeah, your machine T is not in the register. You can see this is the in the other income. Under the other income, you can see fixed asset loss on disposal 10,000 positive. That is the income you want to we just gain this amount by selling the fixed asset machine 3. If you want to, if loss on the disposal look like inappropriate had, so if you want to change it, you can change and go to the settings and the chart of accounts here. And this is the default title of the system accounting here. The fixed asset, let's say fixed assets and gain gain or loss on disposal. Disposal. Let's go to the dashboard. You can see the gain on disposal 10,000 493. So this is how you can calculate here by yourself. You will find this fixed asset depreciation of machinery is removed from here from accumulation depreciation, and the cost, of course, it was 3 lakhs. It was 3 lakhs, and the machinery you can see that now zero, because the T this is the cost of the machine T has been removed by the system as you already disposed it. And now you can see the report here, fixed asset summary. You will see, let's create. Here you can see the machine 3 Just we sold just sold earlier. Machine 3 cost was the 3 lakhs, and this is the consideration receipt, as as I showed you, by receiving the amount in cash 3 lakh and 10,000 received against the machine 3. Is represented here, and this is the depreciation, accumulated depreciation, which was removed by the system from the accumulation depreciation head. And this is the depreciation charge actually disposing the asset. And the profit and loss, you can see the profit on cost here, the 10,000, 3 lakh was the cost, and the sales cost was at 3 lakh, and 10,000 was it. So 10,000 is profit, and profit from the accumulation depreciation. Total gain on disposal is actually 10,493. So, and this is how accounting software maintain the fixed asset register by charging depreciation and disposing the fixed asset. So that's all about fixed asset management in cloud accounting software. So if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.